Let's talk about hype, man. Been a while we didn't talk, and I really want to talk about something that I haven't talked about. So hype is like one of those tokens which is on hype because of the fundamentals. But guys, you have to act with proper data right now. No, like yes, price might like move upside from this point, possibly up to 52. Price might move from this point, huge possibility. But people who are watching, who really want to act professionally and sustain for long term, not for short term, just like one trade, fine. If it goes your way, you ain't gonna make much tomorrow. You like, because right now you are gambling. Why? Because how many approaches do you have? Do you have an idea about that? Let's put this way: how many actual interesting levels we have? Two interesting levels do we do have in the market. The bottom, technically, like if I draw a horizontal line, this was the bottom, this was the bottom, and from our support level, like nicely moved up. There's a huge gap we have. The other like level from where like lost the whole momentum was this. In between, no, in between, like these are 99% people. So when I saw this, I knew like after double top and this level of sell off, man, like avoid the project. Why? Because technically chart is indicating. It's not like I'm putting my intuition into it. It's like what we had on the graph. And if you could have seen this, like, okay, after this we want closing. After this we want closing confirmation, and if you don't get that, then this is the normal outcome. I have talked 8,000 projects by far, and I know what I'm talking about. I'm someone who have posted thousands of videos and 12 years of experience, man. Guys, hold on, like let me just put my chair a little like away from the table, man. Like, okay, sorry for that, but always, man, like stand for yourself. Guys, hold on, before we move forward, I have a VIP, man, where I describe patterns for learning. So dash we discuss found the bottom closing confirmation, and from our support level nicely moved up, man, nicely moved up. So if you really want to like learn from real life examples, just DM me. I'll add you into my VIP. Two setups for learning every day, every day, every day. Let's come back to the token, man. Hype, massive project, but right now there's this gap we have, and ideally like I act with proper data, with information. It's big one, but now the competition is really huge. It's a fundamental project. It might gonna like have relevance 5 years from now, 10 years from now, because it's a fundamental token. But we have to see how it evolves with time. Evolution, man. The person you are right now, I guess you have changed a lot over the years, and if you are not changed as an individual, it means you are stuck. So if this project get stuck, then we don't know that, we don't know about that. So we have to see that how it evolves, because it's a new token, by the way. It haven't proved the fundamental yet. Let me be very precise about it. I'll open over here and explain you what I'm talking about. So ranking, what about the rank? I'll just search away. Ranking might be, it was in top 10 earlier. Okay, top 15th right now, just slipped a bit. So it's in the game for the last like 1 year. It's a pretty new project, by the way. I don't know how many of you know. So yes, the hype itself, the name was so big in the last like 12-15 months, but it's not like a project which gonna be there all the time. It might be. So I'm just saying that they might have to evolve with time. They might have to like launch, put themselves on bigger platforms. Right now it ain't on Binance. This project, it ain't on bigger platforms like these platforms. If it does come, then potentially, in that case, potentially $1,000 in 2026. But we need to see more like collaborations, more stuff, man. If you are watching this video, in case the price does come down, I'll be doing my research around 10. But right now, people who are watching, people who will be like little emotional and then like falling in, because the pattern you have to understand, it might go this way, but then it might come like this. So we need to wait. We have to wait. It's a big one. I want to see how it evolves with time. That's A. B, interesting levels we have over here, or maybe after breakout. In between, I usually avoid, because I want to like sustain myself for forever in the market. In the last 12 years, I have sustained. How? By not going after the wrong ones. By waiting for the right opportunity. If I'll always like hurry up, oh, right now it's like, oh, number one. No, man, doesn't matter. What matters is like the technical part. Over here, held the support. From here, lost the momentum. Closing, confirmation. Like data is more important. I hope you guys are getting my point. Have a nice day.